For 100 years, we believed one thing was safe from the machines: soul. We thought a computer could calculate math, but it could never feel the heartbreak of a ballad or the raw energy of a rock anthem. But while the world was distracted by AI chatbots and image generators, Google just walked into the recording studio, and it didn't come to help. It came to take over. This is Gemini Music, and for every professional singer and musician watching this right now, your career just entered a nightmare. Think about the process of a hit song. A songwriter spends weeks on lyrics, a producer spends months on the beat, a singer spends a lifetime perfecting their vocal range. Gemini Music does all of that in under 30 seconds. We aren't talking about robotic bleep-bloop MIDI files from the 90s. We're talking about hyper-realistic vocals that carry vibrato, breath, and emotion. We're talking about AI that understands jazz fusion as easily as modern trap. It doesn't need a $1,000 an hour studio, it doesn't need a vocal coach, and most importantly, it doesn't ask for royalties. The industry is terrified, and they should be. Imagine a world where a record label doesn't need to sign a star. They just prompt an AI to create a virtual artist who never gets tired, never ages, and never gets into a scandal. But here's the real nightmare. If everyone can generate a Grammy-level song by just typing a sentence, what happens to the value of music? When art becomes instant, does it become worthless? We are moving from the era of creation to the era of generation. And the people who spent their lives mastering an instrument? They're being left in the digital dust. But here's what Google isn't telling you. Gemini Music isn't just imitating, it's evolving. It's learning the patterns of every hit song ever written to create the perfect earworm. It knows exactly which frequency makes your brain release dopamine. It's not just music anymore, it's a psychological hack. Comment below, do you think a machine can ever truly have soul, or is good enough going to be the end of human singers? I want to see your takes on this. The era of the human superstar isn't over yet, but the gates have been smashed open. Whether you're a fan or a creator, the rules of the game just changed forever. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution and see how tools like this are shaping our world, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and welcome to the future. This is Mr. Hacker X AI, and the machine is just getting started. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.